Hey guys, I got another cool smart helmet that I wanted to show you. This is from Faro and it's called the Unit 1, and it's honestly the smartest helmet I've ever seen. It's got some cool technology and lights. So I'm gonna break everything down in the review, but first, it does cost $279. It comes in 3 sizes, 4 colors, and also a USB cord to charge up the remote and the helmet. I'll talk more about those as I dive into the review. Now, as you can see, it's got a light bar in the front, bunch of lights in the back. It's got 500 lumens total, so it's a very bright helmet. A lot of people, when they first see this, ask me if that's a speaker, because it looks like a speaker, but it's not. That is the hidden light section, and there's a lot of cool things you can do in the app with that. If you want to customize it, you can change if it's solid, if it blinks, flashes, strobes, or the fireworks setting, which is what I have now. There's 3 modes that they've already created for you. The first one is called Balanced, and both the front and rear lights flash about 80% of the time. The second one is called Performance. Both the front and rear lights are solid the entire time. That is going to drain the battery the fastest. The third one is called Battery Save, where the lights just flicker every so often. The battery life changes depending on what mode you have. 3 hours for the solid front and back, and 10 hours for that battery save mode. And then it takes 3 hours to charge up the helmet with that USB cord. One of the coolest features about the helmet is it does have an automatic fall detection mode. If you do happen to crash and you don't move for 60 seconds, it will send out a message to a predetermined person that you have selected in the app, which is pretty cool. So there is that safety feature there. Now, as far as the specs of the helmet, this is a fully certified helmet. It's got a CPSC rating and an EN 1078 rating. I'm not sure exactly what those are, but they sound legit. It's got an ABS hard shell and an internal EPS liner. There's a MIPS safety system option for an additional $30 if you do want to go that route. I do have the large, and it does weigh 580 grams. It's kind of a little bit heavier than I like. It does sit high on my head. I just prefer a helmet that's a little bit lower, but other than that, I actually like it. It's very comfortable. Got a lot of pads right where you need them. There's no hot spots or rubbing, which is nice. And it's fairly cool, very breathable. There's 5 vents total. It also has nylon straps with a magnetic buckle, and then a dial in the rear to adjust it. And that is something you can expect with a helmet in this price range. The remote it comes with is pretty cool. It just attaches to the handlebars, and then there's a little rubber band that you just wrap around, and it holds it nice and tight. You can easily put and take off the turn signal units, so the housing stays on the handlebars, the unit comes off, and there is a USB charging port for that, which takes about 45-50 minutes for it to charge up. Now, when you hit this, a light does appear, which is kind of nice. I've tested another one of these where it didn't have that feature, so I didn't know if it is actually communicating with the helmet or not. This here shows that it is, and it does shut off automatically, just like a car. One of the coolest features about the helmet is the auto brake lights. That is just awesome, especially if you're going to do a lot of city commuting. That is just super cool. I really like that feature. It has an IPX6 waterproof rating, a 1-year warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and free shipping in the lower 48. So there you have it. That's the Unit 1. Pretty awesome helmets. I am a big fan. If you want to pick it up, I've got the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out my website, electricrevolutionreviews.com. There you can find all my reviews sorted by price and capability. Hit that like button before you go, and please subscribe for the latest in electric bike, board, and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.